Hello students, my name is Priya Saxena and I will be taking the next part of your unit number 5th. We will be covering 3 topics here also. So first topic is factoring. What is factor? See, factor is derived from a Latin word facere, which means to make or to do or to get things done. See here, factoring means an agent who is paying in behalf of yours. That means you are getting the money on behalf of your customer. So according to Webster Dictionary, factor is an agent or banking or insurance company engaged in financing the operations of certain companies. Now, let's elaborate it. Factoring is a financial transaction and a type of data finance in which a business sells its account receivables to a third party called a factor at a discount. A business will sometimes factor its receivable assets to meet its present and immediate cash needs. That means, like, if you are the seller of a product and there is a customer who is the buyer, obviously that customer needs to pay off all your bills, but that means you are having the accounts receivable, you are having the bills with yourself. So for the immediate cash requirement, you can go to a third party, that is a financing institution or a factor institution, and they will be giving you the amount. So factoring is basically getting your accounts receivable paid off by a third party. Let us understand this according to a chart. In the same sheet, in the same PPT, I'm going to tell you about the 80-20 rule of factoring also. See, you can see here, first of all, who are the parties involved? The supplier, that is the seller, that is selling firm. The buyer, that means the customer, who is going to give you the bills and the funds later on. Then the financial intermediary, from where you're getting your accounts receivables funded. So this is the factor. Now, selling firm sells the goods to the customer. Customer has to give the bills, customer hand over the bills and give some date of, that is, it is purchased on credit, and give some date for the payment. Now the selling firm is in the need of immediate cash. What they will do? They will find out a factor, that means an institution, and they will go under an agreement. Agreement, that means agreement says that you will be paying me the bills and will be in lieu will be receiving all the funds from customer. That means I want my account receivables and cashed as soon as possible. So how they go for an agreement? The selling firm